government has decided to ban serving and consumption of beef in restaurants, hotels and public places. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma and his cabinet has amended the existing law to incorporate the new provisions. The existing restrictions apply only to areas within a 5-kilometer radius of a temple, which the Chief Minister says will now be extended to other areas too.
कि असम में गोमांस कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट और होटल में सर्व नहीं होगा और साथ में कोई पब्लिक फंक्शन में भी या पब्लिक प्लेस में भी ये सर्व नहीं किया जाएगा। सो ये हमने कंप्लीटली होटल, रेस्टोरेंट और पब्लिक प्लेस में बीफ को हमें कंजम्पशन ऑफ बीफ मांस को खाना हमने आज से बंद करने का निर्णय लिया। पहले हमारा ये निर्णय था कि मंदिर का 5 किलोमीटर तक।
Consumption of beef is not illegal in Assam, but the Assam Cattle Preservation Act of 2021 regulates the transportation and slaughter of all cattle and sale of beef and beef products in the state. With further expansion of ambit of curbs, opposition is now up in arms against the move.
हिमंता बिस्वा शर्मा जी से कहेंगे कि स्मगलिंग के बारे में तो आप आसाम में बहुत जानते हो। पूरा जो वहां का जाल है स्मगलिंग का आपको पता है। आपने बैन तो लगा दिया, लेकिन जो एक्सपोर्ट है काऊ बीफ का भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में, उसको कब रोकोगे? तारीख बता देना।
मुर्गी खाएगा या सब्जी खाएगा, इसको लेके कैबिनेट में डिसीजन लेना मैं समझता हूं इसका ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस मैं नहीं रखता, मैं नहीं देता। अब बीजेपी देखिए कैसे मतलब वो है, पार्टी है। गोवा में बीजेपी बीफ बंद नहीं कर सकते। वहां बीजेपी गोवा में बीफ बंद करेंगे तो एक दिन में गिर जाएगी उनकी सरकार। नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हर स्टेट में बीजेपी की सरकार है या मिलीजुली उनकी सहयोगी पार्टी की सरकार है। अरुणाचल बोलिए, मिजोरम बोलिए, नागालैंड बोलिए, मणिपुर है, मेघालय है, हर स्टेट में बीफ वहां के लोग खाते हैं, खिलाते हैं और वहां कोई पाबंदी नहीं, कुछ नहीं है, सब बीजेपी की सरकार है, वहां नहीं कर सकते। तो यहां आसाम में कैटल प्रिजर्वेशन बिल लाके इस तरह कुछ कंडीशन लगाया तो हम उसको ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते।
The BJP, however, refutes the objections. It says that the restrictions are meant only to be respectful towards a certain community, and if someone in Congress has a problem, they can go to Pakistan. Responding in equal measure to the dare extended by Assam Minister Piyush Harika, Congress says it will welcome the ban once it is implemented nationwide.
Assam Chief Minister has ensured a complete ban on the public consumption of beef in restaurants or any kinds of gatherings. Now the question is that why is the Congress party opposing this ban? Gaurav Gogoi and other leaders of Congress, as usual in the name of vote bank politics, do not have any care or concern for the sentiments of the majority community, the Hindus. They only want to indulge in vote bank politics. And it was your challenge, it was your argument that this thing should be done. Now when it has been done, you are opposing it. It shows that for tustikarant politics, for vote bank politics, Congress can go to any extent to harm and hurt Hindu sentiments.
कांग्रेस बहुत सोच समझ के बयान दे रही, जो भी बयान, ये ड्रामेबाजी क्यों? आप घर के अंदर चाहे जो खाइए, आप किसी रेस्टोरेंट में नहीं खा सकते, क्या बात है? या तो बैन करना था, कंप्लीट बैन करते, या कंप्लीट बैन नहीं करना था तो फिर इस तरह की रोक लगाने की क्या जरूरत? हमारी कांग्रेस ने एक सही स्टैंड लिया है और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि ड्रामेबाजी जो वहां का शर्मा करता है मुख्यमंत्री, ये सब उसी का नतीजा है।
The reason is obvious. It is the humiliating loss of the BJP in Jharkhand, where the campaign was solely in the hands of Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. The state BJP leaders of Jharkhand were given no importance. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, as the leading Chief Minister in charge of Jharkhand, was given no importance. And I believe a lot of party money was also spent in that campaign. So in order to camouflage his humiliation, Chief Minister is undergoing this new attempt. In the following state election, the people of Assam will punish the corruption, misrule.
BJP party ab initio has been attacking on our constitution. and constitutional mandates. Our constitution has given freedom to every people of India to have their choice of food, to have their choice of dress, and it is not new. They are following the principles of RSS. They are from the very beginning against the Muslim population and also against the low-caste Hindus and Christians, Buddhists, and on the same footing they have taken this decision. This is against our constitution and a scathing attack on our constitution.
So you heard the reaction coming in from Sharman Ali, who is a Congress MLA, who says this move of the Assam government is against the constitution. It's a scathing attack on the constitution. BJP, however, is rejecting the objections that have been raised, and BJP says this is keeping in mind a particular community and being respectful towards the community. So a lot of political reactions coming in. This has led to a face-off once again between the BJP and the Congress. Bharatiya Janata Party also questioning the mindset of the Congress party, saying whether it's anti-Hindu. Response coming in from the Congress as well, saying this is nothing but just drama happening. Some have also linked it to the drubbing in Jharkhand polls for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's listen in to what the Chief Minister of Assam said.
कि असम में गोमांस कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट और होटल में सर्व नहीं होगा और साथ में कोई पब्लिक फंक्शन में भी या पब्लिक प्लेस में भी ये सर्व नहीं किया जाएगा. सो ये हमने कंप्लीटली होटल, रेस्टोरेंट और पब्लिक प्लेस में बीफ को हमें कंजम्पशन ऑफ बीफ, मांस को खाना हमने आज से बंद करने का निर्णय लिया. पहले हमारा ये निर्णय था कि मंदिर का 5 किलोमीटर तक.
Anamika joining us from Guwahati. Anamika, the opposition is hitting out at the BJP, the Himanta Biswa government, saying this is nothing but drama and it is against constitution as per some. Anamika, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, back to back, this situation is now going on, and cabinet have taken this decision yesterday. And though the leader of the opposition, they are saying this is a political drama, and all the things are being diverted as because CM Himanta Biswa Sarma was a state presenter of the Jharkhand, and he have lost the BJP rule over the Jharkhand. So all the other opposition leaders are saying this is the just only thing to overcome all those things. And on the other hand, AIUDF leaders are saying that in Assam, almost there are 36 to 37% people of there are Muslim, and they don't have their right also to take their food. Right. But while the other hand, BJP is saying only the consumption of meat in publicly it's being banned, but they can take it if they want it.
All right, Anamika, thank you for getting us the details. We're moving on now.